We're here today to support our railway colleagues. We've got a number of services which are running into London Paddington today, starting in Swansea and stopping at all key stations along the way, applying a wreath which will be making their way to the cenotaph and a part of the Remembrance Parade later on this week.
This morning we're at Cardiff Central where we've been laying wreaths in front of the train that's going to London. At Transport for Wales, this is a commitment that we take really seriously. We're trying to continue to build on the links of the past, and we want to continue that into the future and strengthen it. It's not just the wreath laying that we've done this morning. There's going to be a service later with many other people involved as well, and long may that continue.
My name's Suzanne Edwards. I work as a finance business partner in rail for Transport for Wales. The younger generation, we don't want them to forget. And I know, obviously, most of this service, the remembrance is around the First World War and Second World War, but we've got to remember lots of veterans, even myself, have been to current war zones, and people have sacrificed their lives in those as well.